Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are all doing well and enjoying your summers. And welcome back to SAS with another day. We have another beautiful article for summers to make you comfortable in summers and make sure that you are relaxed. We have this pretty collection, and today we have this one dress in zinc with a very pretty and different combo of yellow dupatta and the yellow print in it, and this one is so pretty that you can see how comfortable it could be for you guys. So don't delay the order now, as you know the stocks are very limited. So make sure you order on time, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe the video, and don't forget to follow us on our all platforms. The links are given in the description. That's it for today. Allah Hafiz.